Hi, Acceros is a behavioral incongruity detection engine provider for aeronautics and security industries.
So Nanolog provide a solution that protecting the firmware and all sensitive data in IoT connected devices, mobility devices that can later on be managed from a cloud and get all the information about the status of the device and the protection of the firmware.
Innovation, quantum technologies combined with cryptography for end-to-end cybersecurity.
To go deeper in malware analysis and detection.
We make connected cars, fleets, and autonomous vehicles safe, and the data that comes from them private and confidential.
We in Thales believe that visibility is the best effective way to secure their safety critical network.
We are Datina. We provide a solution to do a full inventory of sensitive information and personal data to comply with data privacy laws such as GDPR.
Basically what we are doing is trying to protect the data, all the information, secret and algorithm you put into your software and applications.
Way for us to enter the European market, given that we're a US company, and we're looking forward to collaborating with Thales around European specific use cases and hopefully solving problems for their customers.
We see this program as a huge opportunity for us. As a startup company trying to open the world for us, we see this opportunity as something that would allow us not just to be exposed to Thales, but to be exposed to Thales ecosystem, which is huge for us.
We choose the cybersecurity program of Thales because we already have a semiconductor solution for our products, and we'd like to investigate our offer is pertinent for the cybersecurity through our hardware secure equivalent element.